Hello, in this video, we're going to go over find the equation of a line to the curve at the given point and write it in slope-intercept form. We are going to do it at this function at that point of x. So the first thing we're going to need a point, an x1 and a y1. I did not write that very neatly. X1 and a y1. And we need an m, a slope. So we need to find those two things and we'll be good to go. First, the x1 and y1, we have our x. To find that y, we're just going to plug it in. So we just find g of 2, which is negative 2 over 2 squared, negative 2 over 4, negative 1/2. So that will be our point of y1. Next, we need to find the slope. The slope is the derivative. The slope, we're just going to derive at that point of x. We'll call it x1 for now, or we'll call it a. That'll be less confusing. So what we're going to do is find g prime of x first. Well, in order to do that, I need to rewrite this guy first. So let's write this in a way we can easily take a power rule by bringing the x squared to the top by making the exponent negative. Next, we're going to take the power rule, g prime of x, multiply the coefficient by the exponent. So we'll get 4, and we're going to subtract the exponent by 1. Sorry, one more time. You're going to take the exponent and multiply it to the coefficient and subtract the exponent by 1. Okay, sorry, I was doing integrals in the last video. All right. Next, what you're going to do is plug in that value of x that we did. So that value of a for this equation would be our value of 2. So we're going to plug in x prime of 2. 4 times 2 to the negative 3. Remember what a negative exponent does is it brings it down to the denominator. 2 to the third is 8. And we can simplify that to 1/2. Again, the derivative at that point is the slope. That's my slope right there. So we have a point. Let's change colors really fast. We have a point. And we have a slope. And then we put it all together. First, put it into point slope form. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This is x1. This is y1. So y plus 1/2 is equal to 1/2 x minus 2. Remember, this is a plus because it's minus a negative. Then we'll distribute that 1/2 x minus 1, and then subtract 1/2 to both sides. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3/2. And this is the equation of the tangent line at that curve at the point x equals 2. So again, a recap, find a point xy, and find the slope, which is the derivative at that point of x, and then put it all together, and you are done.